Incorporating green into gas stations, new or existing, calls attention to previously unidentified ways to improve the environment, which includes, but is not limited to, the reduction of volatile organic compounds. TST Electronics is a novel environmental technology provider with a special focus on petrol services solutions, having a portfolio of different German environmental technologies, emission control, energy conservation and oil separation technology management concept, solutions and environmental R&D, and waste into energy concept. With the message received from Copenhagen, keep on the right track. We have to include a practice of how we support the ecosystem. This is where we feel that we are climate complaint. In terms of our environmental research and development path, driven by our environmental responsibilities, TST Electronics supported strategic decisions and coordinated to implement green stations. Tunis Shell La Marsa Station was our first footprint for Go Green concept. A second footprint was with Enoch as the first green station in the Middle East. The fugitive emission occurs during filling operations at two levels. The first level, stage 2, is a direct problem encountering motorists and dispenser operators due to inhaling hydrocarbon vapor that escapes from their car tank during filling process, producing toxics in the lungs, which is then released into the blood circulation, leading to headaches, nausea, chronic respiratory problems, nervous system problems, and, in the extreme, cancer and leukemia. At this level of the fugitive emission, TST Electronics adopts a controlling measure to improve and restore the working environment by introducing the Vareco Pro system technology. Vareco Pro is an intelligent, self-regulating and self-monitoring vapor recovery system. Vareco Pro automatically measures and regulates the gas flow during the filling process. The system adjusts automatically to the performance of the fuel pump and regulates the suction of the vapor to be equal to the filled gasoline. Vareco Pro gathers all relevant information regarding the fueling process. Then it communicates its data by means of wireless or cable connection directly to a variety of point-of-sale systems, along with messages that can be issued via email, SMS, fax, and phone. On the second level is our latest technology, the Vapor and Fuel Recovery System, named Vareco Vent Stage 3. In the standby mode, a transmitter continuously measures pressure in vent pipe. At a pressure of about 3 millibar, the system starts automatically, whereby gasoline vapor air mixture, or feed, start rising in the vent pipe. As it gets sucked up the vacuum pump, it gets pre-cooled in the plate heat exchanger. The temperature and the pressure of the vacuum pump are monitored by a thermal sensor and a pressure transmitter to prevent any malfunctions. Afterwards, the pre-cooled mixture flows into the cold condensate trap. There, most of the hydrocarbons condense to gasoline. The condensate is returned to the fuel tank by the fuel separator. The vortex flow meter records and registers the recovered fuel quantity. The condensate trap is cooled by water chillers at temperatures below 0 degrees Celsius. The remaining non-condensed mixture is passed to the membrane module. There, the hydrocarbon molecules permeate through the membrane. The air, cleaned up to 99%, enters the atmosphere. Unlike other conservation methods, the Vareco systems increases revenue and gaining most out of every drop of gasoline in the service stations and terminals, due to high loading capacity and high efficiency during gasoline vapor recovery. And it is supported by excellent return on the investment when comparing actual losses and investment on technology. TST Electronics is determined to accomplish progress on vapor and fuel recovery system to assist in mitigating the impact of VOC, like benzene, and participate in promoting Go Green stations. We believe we can work hand in hand to provide healthy living and a blue sky.